This one is our angle iron flange punching machine. And right now I'm going to show you how to connect the power and how to operate it, okay? And first step, you have to add the hydraulic oil. Open the oil tank and take this one out. And you can add the number 46 or number 68 hydraulic oil, okay? So when finished this step, connect the power. This is the main power line. You have to connect 380 voltage, 3 live wires, okay? And this one is the ground line. After you connect the power, switch on the machine. Switch on. And here, English, enter. And right now, click the menu page and the fuel pump on, and the servo on, and the air cooling on. And check the gesture, check the direction. This one. And click the clamp. Okay, so if it shows like this, so the power connection is right, okay? And after you check the direction, the clamp, and click the automatic page. And if you want to make 2 orders, here select mode 1 to 2. And first, enter the length of the order one and the quantities you need. And also enter the micro pole head tail and the quantities you need, and the pinhole head tail and the quantities you need. So the micro head tail means the distance in the middle to the edge, and the pinhole head tail means the small hole, the middle to the edge, the distance. And also for the number and the order 2 also enter the length you want and the quantities you want. And same as the micro pole head tail, the quantities, the pinhole head tail, and the quantities. And after you set up the order details, click the back to origin. And then click the reverse. After it goes to the origin, so feeding the material, go through the clamp and put it inside the cutting blade. And when you feel the material is touching the cutting blade, this is the cutting blade. So when you feel the material is touching the cutting blade, that is good. After you insert the material, you can press start. So right now we can make the order.